The logistic connectivity we call the Northern Corridor, which start from the Mombasa in Kenya through Uganda, then adjacent countries.
This project is coming with the 3 interventions. So number 1 is widening of the roads. There will be a flyover between Queensway and Zambia Road. But we also have an underpass, a road under a road. JICA is one of the key financing partners from which government of Uganda is able to access loan and grant.
The challenge we get on our tourists, it is the traffic jam. If they want to go to airport like evening time, it was a big problem. They've been taking even 3 hours. So even the tourists would have been scared of it.
The clock tower junction was identified as the most congested and need urgent improvement of the junction.
The design of the flyovers, the foundations, were designed to be piles. Piling is quite unique in that you have to bore down into the soil.
The screw pile is this is Japanese technology. The blade is welded to the steel tube.
They are load-bearing piles. They pick their strength from the bearing layer. So when we are driving them, we don't look at the range, we look at have they reached the bearing layer? So have they reached the foundation, the rock, the hard ground?
Each pile can support more weight so that we can reduce the number of piles.
So we use the technology to minimize this area in the middle of this high density area.
The first flyover in Uganda. So I'm just very happy to be a part of the team.
If you are going to Mufano Road or you want to approach Jinja Road from Queensway, you will no longer be required to move the common traffic. You lift up between Queensway and Zambia Road, and then you go under between Zambia Road and Mufano Road. The project is going to turn around the time for movement. I think it should be able to be done in less than 5 minutes. We have had a lot of flooding in the clock tower area and Mukwano Road.
The season raining, it is too bad. Our cars was getting stuck on water, and you are losing a car, you are losing even a client.
Currently what we have are 5 culverts which have diameter of around 900 millimeters, which you can move through, which are very difficult to clean, and also which are clogged. This project is going to construct drainage structures, which are big box culverts. And these box culverts will capture most of the storm water which used to flood that area. And therefore, to solve that problem of flooding, and therefore not interfere with traffic flow.
I've been engaged in this project for 7 years, and in total, I think more than 50 engineers and technicians have been working for this project in Japan and also in Uganda.
Majority of key staff on the side of the contractor and also on the side of the consultant actually are local Ugandan engineers, technicians. The few expatriates come lead them to deliver this project. Directly, there are up to around 600 jobs which have been created on this project, but if you include those indirect ones, then it can be well over 1,000 people who are involved in construction of this project.
For this project, also we're excited about to reconstruct the current clock tower. It will be light up and put more trees, and then people can relax and can approach to the tower. And then in combination with a new pedestrian bridge at the junction, we can create very new, modern, attractive landscape.
So that way, by separating the pedestrian traffic from motorists, chances of collision, accidents are going to reduce.
The Lot 1 is affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. So I have to admit that currently we are experiencing the significant delay. Hopefully we can finish Lot 1 by end of 2022.
We're going to discuss with JICA how we can quickly embark on Lot 2 so that it's a smooth transition for us to have a holistic solution to this problem.
Whole nation going to get a benefit directly or indirectly. The completion of the Lot 1 and Lot 2 will complement the linkage to the other expressway.